Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can reconcile your bank account on LessAccounting. To reconcile your bank account, you need to go to Accounting section and there is Reconciliation. Select an account which you want to reconcile. So for example, in my case, I will have business account and I can click on Create Statement to Reconcile. Here I can select Start Date. So in case I will select 1st of June and I can add an end date, which in my case will be 19th. Okay. Starting balance, I had 1,500 as a starting balance and end balance should be 3,185. Expenses 495. I'm using information from my bank statement and deposits is 2,180. Okay, and click Save. Okay, so now we have on right hand side 4 key information or amounts what I keyed in before I'm starting this reconciliation. To reconcile, I need to select all deposits, and if there would be any difference, you would see here information. Once it's reconciled, it will go to zeros. And the same about expenses. Select all expenses, and if you will miss anything, difference will show up in table for your expenses. If you are missing deposit or transfer or expense, you are provided with buttons at the top so you can quick and easily add missing transaction. And once you are reconciled your bank, click Save. Okay, so when you click on Show, you can see reconciliation here. You can edit and delete if required, and you can also see date range and what was start balance and end balance. So this is the way how you can reconcile your bank accounts on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my LessAccounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.